Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of Back to Basics. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a real mayonnaise, guys. Not this kind of nonsense, but a real mayonnaise. And again, of course, guys, it could not be simpler. I have checked numerous amounts of brands on the shelves in the supermarkets for the ingredients in the mayonnaise, and pretty much all of them have at least two ingredients that should not be there. So this is kind of a good reason also to know how to do that. If you're wondering, guys, why on earth I still actually have a fake mayonnaise in my hand, well, it is a preparedness channel, and as an emergency preparedness, guys, I always suggest people to have a backup of food in their pantries just in case. But on a daily basis, guys, I do make my own, so let me show you. So let's proceed with the ingredients. One thing, guys, to let you know, okay, this recipe is going to be based on one whole egg. Generally, mayonnaise is made with the egg yolk, but you absolutely can, and there's no issue at all of using a one whole egg. So here I have one of my own fresh eggs, not literally my own, I haven't laid it, but of my own chicken eggs, and it has to be at a room temperature. Next thing we'll require for this recipe, 240 milliliters of oil. Normally, okay, in all the mayonnaises, they put a rapeseed oil, which is a nasty oil. But the reason I choose that because it's quite tasteless. So the idea is you need to pick something that has got very little flavor to it. So something like a light olive oil or avocado oil is a good option. Don't forget, if the oil is too strong, it will really come through to the taste of the mayonnaise, because let's be frank, the majority of the mayonnaise actually consists of oil. So next thing you will require, guys, is 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of vinegar or lemon juice, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of sugar. Again, it is optional. We will require some Dijon mustard for stabilizing, a teaspoon of that, and an immersion blender of any blender of your choice. So then, of course, the next in the process, it's very simple. Hopefully you get to see okay. So I've got my pot for my immersion blender. I'm gonna crack my, typically it doesn't break nicely on the camera. We're now gonna add on salt, teeny bit of sugar, vinegar, let's get some mustard, and let's pour our oil in. Okay. So now let's blitz it. You normally just submerge it down the bottom, start from the bottom and work your way up. Make sure it's all incorporated, and look at that. How quick was it? Absolutely amazing. And the color as well, guys. If you just use the yolk, it'd be even better color, but we don't want any waste. So here we are. Let me just dip my finger in that. It's just perfect, guys. Honestly, I cannot explain, again, I stress time and time again, the simplicity of those kind of things. Right, so just to go through that, this is again, based on one egg. If you want to make more mayonnaise, depending how often you use that, just double the recipe, treble the recipe, or quadruple, depending, as I said, what you need. So, because we use the Dijon mustard, it stabilized it so it wouldn't split. We use the vinegar. Vinegar is the main preservative, so this is what's going to keep your mayonnaise going for a few days. So, normally, the immersion blenders come with the little pots like this. If you didn't want to transform the mayonnaise, put the lid on and put it in the fridge. It will sit in your fridge easily for a week, okay? 1 week. So, guys, make it as much as you need for the week, okay? It took me absolute seconds to do that. And you have fresh mayonnaise without any additives, without any nasties, and it'll sit in your fridge for about a week. I think it's pretty amazing, don't you? So that's literally, guys, as simple as that. So I really do hope you enjoyed the video. I really do hope you're going to give it a go, because it is very straightforward, and I strongly suggest, because the flavor profile of the real mayonnaise for a fake mayonnaise, I'm going to call this, it's absolutely night and day. So thank you guys very much for watching. We really appreciate all the support that we're getting with the channel and with this project. So thank you very much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and we shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.